Hello everybody, in this video I show you how to make nice addition to your kitchen, simple wood wine balancer from scrap wood. Let's get started. I took oak plank, length will be 8.5 inches, width 3.5 inches, hole will be 2 inches from top and in the middle of plank. Plank thickness is 3/4 inches. So next we need to cut one side at 45 degrees. Let's make it. Next we're gonna make a hole, diameter 1.5 inches. Let's make it. Now let's bevel the edges. Now let's paint. I use hard wax oil. It's a good solution to open wood texture and protect it from water damage. Now it's time to test it. Just put it on bottle and set it on table. That's it.